program which is going around now. We have increased. We now have have 4 fully qualified vets, and then we have got a number of para vets throughout Fiji. We're looking at recruiting more vets once FNU first lot, I believe probably next year, the first lot of graduates will be coming out, and we will be taking on employing a number of graduates out of that first lot that comes out. So at the moment, we are now expanding to testing for potential reactors outside Witilevu and Banua Levu. There's a team out in Banua Levu as well, and those animals which will be found to react positively to TB and brucellosis, they will be immediately culled out and taken to abattoir, and the farmer will be compensated. We also have, as I alluded to earlier on, the disease-free farms, which we are establishing in different areas, and these farms will also become source of animals for other farms who could buy from this farm, and this farm will be certified, animals will be certified, and then the other farms where these animals will go will try to fence off that particular farm, secure that farm, and then we will label that farm, and that farm can source animals from this TB brucellosis-free farm. Honorable Speaker, I think in this sitting I alluded to earlier on about our breed improvement program, both through artificial insemination as well as embryo transfer. And I did allude to that while there's a ban by biosecurity for good reasons of importing live animals from New Zealand and Australia due to discovery of new stream of disease there, which we don't have in Fiji at the moment. And so we cannot import live animals. So we want to get new breeds, high-yielding breeds, and I did mention last year that we're looking at importing Sanepol breed of cattle, which has 2 to 3 times high yield as well as milk production, high milk yield. At the moment, we have in Western Division about 7 to 8 liters per day. In the Central Division, we have about 4 liters per day milk per animal. We're looking at about 20 to 25 liters per day, which is what the potential is for the improved variety, improved breed that we have got through embryo transfer. We have got we did the embryo transfer for about 144 cows with a success rate of 52%. So we got about 72 calves now. This improved breed, it will take time. The embryo transfer process gets animal which is in production in about 3 to 4 years time, so it will take time. Again, but it is a foolproof process. It is 100% sure that there will be no transfer or transmission of disease, because we're getting this already fertilized egg in embryo form and then inseminating in our cows here who get impregnated with a rate of about 52%, and then the cows give birth. So we've got about 72 calves now. We will be revealing a major plan in terms of revitalizing a scheme which was dead some time back, a very famous scheme, but we will announce later on. We are now at the moment rehabilitating that particular scheme right in the interior of Saratoga, but we will give more details later on, and that will be the place where we will hive out to keep these animals. Will be a breeding station, and from there we will take it out to other places. So we have also a scheme to restock those cleaned up and hived out farms. So Honourable Speaker, we also have spent about $3.7 million over the last 6 years to support dairy development, the existing dairy farms, and also we have contributed towards farm advisory and training programs. Honourable Speaker, a total of 270 farmers have been assisted over the last 6 years with respect to the various programs I've outlined. Thank you.